Okay. I found a baby bird on the sidewalk and I'm going to feed him. Oops, cancel. I found a baby bird on the sidewalk and I'm going to feed him. He's really, really small and I thought he would just eat fruit and chips and stuff, but he's too small. So I have this eyedropper and I made this concoction of like potato starch, blueberries, raspberries, and I'm gonna do it with the eyedropper and I'm gonna show you because I'm so excited. And my husband doesn't find it exciting.
It's because I'm working.
So I'm gonna show you because I need people to hang out with me when I feed the baby bird. Okay, everyone. I'm gonna feed the baby bird with the eyedropper that I found. Oh, I have to get my gloves. All right, for everyone who just joined, I found a baby bird on the sidewalk and I'm gonna feed him with an eyedropper right now. Gotta put on gloves because birds carry diseases. All right, baby, come here. Come here, baby. I have to get the baby bird. Look. There he is. There's the baby. And when I go to feed him, he opens his mouth like a bird that needs to be fed would. He opens it like so that the mommy bird could throw up into his mouth because that's how birds feed each other. All right, ready? And this is the concoction that I made. I'm gonna feed him. And it's gonna be awesome. All right? Again, hi everyone. I found a baby bird on the sidewalk and I'm gonna use this eyedropper and this concoction of sustenance to rehabilitate the baby bird that's in this shopping bag on my balcony. And I'm doing this live because my husband doesn't care and I need people to care about the baby bird and me. Ready? This is my new selfie stick. Okay. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is great. Here we go. All right, baby, come here. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Look, he wants to be held. He's a little baby, and I'm gonna feed him. It's okay. It's okay. Ready? Come here. It's okay. Woo! It's okay. Shit. Wait, no, stay. Stay. Look. Look. I'm doing it. I'm feeding him. I'm feeding him. Look. Look. I'm feeding the bird. Wow. Look. It's okay. Look. Look. Come on. Open up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look, he's a little baby. Look how little baby he is. It's okay, baby birdie. Come on. Come on, baby birdie. Oh no, he's not opening his mouth anymore. Woo! It's okay. It's okay. Do you want to go down? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wait, what do I do now? He's not eating. Oh, my baby. It's okay. Come here. Come on. Open. 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 Look. I found this bird on the sidewalk. And I'm feeding him. Ooh. It's okay. Wow, it went down. He's trusting me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Here. Here, baby. Here. Again. Here, baby. It's okay. This is my first time going live on Instagram. I found a baby bird on the sidewalk and I'm feeding him. Whoop! It's okay. Whoop! He fell. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Here. Ready? Here. It's okay. No? Oh. It's okay. I love birds. Here. Look! It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Where do you want to go? This is my baby bird that I found on the sidewalk. I found this bird. I found this bird on the sidewalk. Look at what a little baby infant bird he is. And he can't eat. I went to feed him and he just opened his mouth like waiting for the mommy bird to throw up inside of his mouth, and I can't do that, so I have an eyedropper and I fed him a little bit and I think he's getting used to me and I'm his new mommy. Come on. I think he needs some protein. I don't know what to feed him, so I'll take any recommendations. But look at the little baby. He's a little baby bird. What do I do with him? He'll just live out here. It's okay. It's okay, baby bird. It's okay. See? Look at his new feathers coming in. He's a real baby. He can't eat on his own. So that's why I have the eyedropper. maybe he doesn't like the concoction I made for him. I just put some potato starch, some strawberries and blueberries, and some corn chips mushed up. Here. I don't think he wants to eat anymore. Do you want to? So I don't know what to do with him. If anyone has any recommendations. Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? You want to go back in a little box? You want to go back in the bag? Here, you want to go back in the bag? It's okay. It's okay, baby birdie. Look. Walk. I don't know what to do. He's so cute. Do you think I have to call someone? For anyone new, I found a baby bird on the sidewalk. And I love birds. I grew up with birds, so I decided to rehabilitate this bird. So I put him in a bag and I took him home with me. And I went to feed him some of these things I have in this tray, and he just opened his mouth like a tiny baby bird, waiting for me to throw up inside of his mouth, because that's how mommy birds feed the baby birds. And now he's like hobbling away under the deck, and I don't know what to do. I'll try and show you. I'm taking off the gloves because there's like poopy on them. Alright, here we are. Hi everyone. I'm here. This is my first time going live on Instagram. Here's the bird. See him? He's a little baby bird. And he doesn't know how to feed himself. Look at his baby feathers on his head. He's a real infant. He's an infant bird. I found an infant bird on the sidewalk, everyone. So let's hear what people are saying. You can feed them earthworms, crickets, canned or soaked. Where do I get that, though? People. We're back. I'm here with the bird, my new pet. This is what happens when you're unemployed, by the way. Look, there he is. Me and my baby bird. A pet shop. Where's there a pet shop that's open? I guess I'll have to find one. I'm gonna look for a pet shop. Oh, he's all the way over there now. I hope he doesn't die. All right, thanks everyone. I'll keep you posted.